Arrive in style with this Dodge 2016 Challenger SRT Hellcat. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are navigation system, 18 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, Harman Kardon registered trademark speakers, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 8.4 nav, air conditioning, automatic temperature control and front dual-zone AC. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.